Dude, if you do it in one take, you ain't gonna do it.
Hey, if you guys like the video, make sure to comment below.
See, it's hard, dude. It's hard. There's so much. Hey guys, Chris here with 9 to 5 Escape. Today I'm happy to introduce a guest vehicle. It's a 2017 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. What we'll be doing today is replacing the stock grille with the TRD grille. Just basically getting rid of that chrome look on the car and replacing with that black on beige finish. So let's get into it. So first step, get that hood popped up. There are going to be a few things you're going to be removing. There's going to be 2 bolts and 2 clips that you're going to be popping out. So let's get that going. The bolts are going to be 10 millimeters. So get your 10 millimeter socket ready. Cue the time-lapse music. All right, to remove the clips, you just want to pry them off. Just pull up. A flathead works wonders. All right, so once you get those 4 pieces removed, you're just basically be pulling up and away off the car. Ta-da. Cool. So once you get the grille off, you're gonna be removing some screws and just placing some clips in a way that you could take the grille or the inner piece of the grille off. So let's get that going. So the stock grille consists of 2 pieces. There's going to be this outer lip and the main chrome piece itself. So there's going to be these clips on the back that are just going to be poking through and feeding through the hole. And once you get all those clipped into place, the lip should just come out in one piece. And then you got some other clips. And it helps to have like a set of pliers just to push in the clip. And boom, just like that. All right guys, so this is the TRD grille that we'll be installing. Basically, you're reversing the steps of what we've done before. You're just gonna be popping this grille into these holes here and making sure they all line up. So position that correctly. Making sure all the clips are pushed into place. Feels like it is. And that's it. All right guys, so once you get the new grille placed into the shroud, this puppy's ready to be put on to the vehicle. Make sure everything is lined up before pushing it on. Looks good. Now put on the existing hardware that was on the car before. And in case you forgot, it was the 2 clips and 2 bolts. ton of them. So there's one thing I wanted to point out. Because this is a 2017 model, there is going to be no front proximity sensor on the vehicle. So there's going to be no wires that you need to worry about hooking up with the sensor that would be right here on later models. So just one thing to take away from it. Basically, the install was super easy, plug and go. Just be really careful when taking off and putting on the new grille. Just be wary of those clips. They are plastic. So again, super easy process, and have fun doing it. If you guys thought this video was helpful, throw us a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel for any future modifications, trips, and overlanding experiences. Also check out our Instagram, Facebook, and website at 9to5escape.org. We'll have the link in the description below. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll catch you next time. So